William Shakespeare had an IQ of 210. Magnus Carlsen, the chess champion, 190. Albert Einstein, 160. Elon Musk, 160. Even Taylor Swift is pegged at 160 IQ. But let me ask you, does a high IQ guarantee financial freedom? Answer is big no. Einstein's royalties were mismanaged. Magnus Carlsen earns millions not because of his IQ, but because he monetized chess smartly. Taylor Swift, she is rich not just because of her IQ, but because she fought for her ownership and built her own empire. So here is the real game changer. What is your MQ? Your money quotient. Today, I'll show you why MQ not IQ could be the difference between stress and freedom in your money life. And yes, I will show you how to test your money quotient in 10 minutes and start improving it right now. So what exactly is MQ? Just like IQ measures intelligence, MQ measures money intelligence. Your ability to make smart financial decisions consistently. Take two quick stories. Arjun, a software engineer in Bengaluru. Salary is 25 lakhs. His IQ probably above average, but his savings zero. His MQ score 3 out of 10. Kavya, a school teacher in Mysuru, salary is just 40,000 per month. She invests regularly in SIPs, tracks her expenses, builds assets, and her MQ score 8 out of 10. Who is financially stronger? Obviously, Kavya with a fraction of Arjun's income. Now think back to Einstein. IQ 160 changed the world with relativity, but he was not money genius. He often signed away rights cheaply. Compare that to Taylor Swift. Same IQ but a high MQ. She turned her music into wealth and ownership. That's the difference. IQ may make you brilliant, but MQ makes you financially free. Here is the shocking truth. Even the smartest minds can have dangerously low MQ. And I have seen engineers earning 50 lakhs per year but saving less than 50,000 rupees. Doctors with IQ above 140 falling for insurance scams. And MBAs keeping all their money in FDs while inflation eats them alive. IT professionals panic selling during market dips. So why do so many fail? Because school starters calculus but not compounding, Shakespeare but not SIPs. We memorize the periodic table but not personal finance. That's why high IQ is not equal to high MQ. And if you don't measure MQ, you're financially blind. Now, here's the good news. You don't need 160 IQ to get high MQ. You just need 10 minutes and a smartphone. That's why we created MQ Test. It asks you simple 5 questions. Let me break them down. First, we will talk about age and place of stay. A 22-year-old in Bengaluru versus a 45-year-old in a small town, they face different realities. This sets your benchmark. Next, we have 5 following questions. Question number 1 on your monthly income. Earning capacity matters, but MQ checks if your income actually translates into strength. High income with no savings equals low MQ. Question 2 on monthly savings. This is your foundation. If you're saving nothing, your MQ collapses, no matter your income. Question 3, growth of savings. Here is the game changer. Are your savings increasing every year or stuck at the same level? If your 20,000 stays 20,000 forever, no compounding magic will happen. Question 4, growth of financial assets. Are your financial assets like stocks, FDs, mutual funds actually growing, or are they stagnant? This reveals if your money is working for you. Question 5, growth of non-financial assets. How much of your money is in your property? Is it growing or is it generating income? What about your business ownership, gold or precious jewels? These things look simple, but together they reveal your money DNA, like a blood test of your finances. Even Magnus Carlsen with IQ 190 can't just rely on chess brilliance. He had to turn wins into income, income into assets. That's MQ in action. Let's look at some real people who took the MQ test. Rajesh, software engineer, salary 45 lakhs, MQ 2.5, improved to 8.2 in 3 years, and portfolio rise to 85 lakhs. Priya, a doctor, MQ from 1.8 to 7.9, debt-free, investment increased to 50 lakhs. Amit, a business owner, MQ increased from 4.2 to 9.1, saved over 40 lakhs in taxes annually. See the pattern? Higher the MQ, better is the wealth. And here is how you can improve yours on the Rupee Rakshak platform. You get 40 plus stock baskets, 60 plus mutual fund baskets, 10 plus bond baskets. Start with just ₹1,000, add baskets to your cart like shopping, activate them in your account and track real-time ROI across savings, assets, even real estate. So whether you are a Gen Z experimenting with DIY investing or prefer managed portfolio, the system helps you steadily push your MQ higher. So here's the truth. Shakespeare had 210 IQ, Einstein 160, Elon Musk 160, Taylor Swift 160. But it's not IQ alone that built wealth, it's the MQ. Swift owning her music, Musk scaling his ventures, Zuckerberg monetizing Facebook. High MQ, not just high IQ. And now it's your turn. Step 1, take the free MQ test at mqedu.in. Step 2, see your score instantly. And step 3, if it's below 7, don't worry. We will help you fix it. Book your free consultation at Rupee Rakshak. You don't need crores to start, you need discipline and smart choices. Begin with just 1,000 rupees and track your growth just like you track fitness. Comment your MQ score below and join the MQ revolution, because your MQ today decides your wealth tomorrow. This is Mohan Krishnarao, your Rupee Rakshak. Until next time, keep growing your MQ.